We go to a primetime news follow-up now. 59 children from the Haitian Children Orphanage will arrive in Jamaica tomorrow. This follows an agreement between the Mustard Seed Communities and private children charities in Haiti. The Mustard Seed Communities, which will be providing care for the children, says the process was facilitated by the Ministries of Health, National Security and Foreign Affairs. The internationally recognized charity says it is working to ensure the French-speaking children are safe and comfortable. Since June last year, discussions had been ongoing for the children to be transferred to Jamaica since after 3 died amid escalating violence. Now, efforts were blocked by the Haitian government, citing safety concerns. The Haiti Children Orphanage is in the midst of several heavily armed warring gangs. The co-founder of the orphanage said the gangs cut off safe passage, kidnapped staff, and invaded the facility, threatening to, quote, put the kids out of their misery, end quote.